Okay guys, thank you very much for staying around. Today we are going to be working with deleting and restoring. All right, how can we delete it? Particularly, generally we will be working with this guy you see on your screen here, the recycle bin. All right, I'm going to be working with the recycle bin now. Officially, if you run Windows on your machine, you are going to find two apps that are default. Right, you're going to find the recycle bin on your screen, and you're going to find the Microsoft Edge as well. They will be installed, right? They will be installed by default. Now quickly, the Microsoft Edge is far different from the recycle bin, but we are going to be working with the recycle bin only. Okay, so for now, assuming that you have your computer and you have created a folder that you don't want, or let's just say a file that you don't want, and you want to get rid of it. All right, now if you check on your computer keyboard carefully, you will find at the file upper right, you will find what we call the delete key. Now you can use the delete key to perform direct action on that identical folder. So what we'll do, we will click on the folder. Once you have clicked on the folder, you can be able to press the delete key and will perform direct action. But we're not going to use that method for now. Let we click on this. After we have clicked on this, now we will press the delete key. After we have clicked on the folder, we'll press the delete key. After clicking on the folder, we'll press the delete key, which is the folder called mine. If you have been following us, you will know how we got this folder. Now the folder called mine, after we have left click on it, we press delete key, it disappear immediately. All right, now another way you can do this is by left clicking on the folder, and check for the word delete, which we see right down here. All right, once you left click on delete, it's going to disappear automatically. Now what happens when you delete a folder on your Windows computer? Now Windows automatically takes that folder and assume that you might likely be in need of that folder some days to come. So Windows takes that folder and save it in what we call the recycle bin. Now, so we will locate our recycle bin. We check into the recycle bin and see if we can restore the folder that we just deleted. We deleted two different folders, right? Cool. So quickly we head over to this. There's our recycle bin here. We open up the recycle bin. Right click, open recycle bin. Now if you check in the recycle bin, you are going to see these are videos that we deleted long since. Okay, so in the recycle bin, we are going to be restoring some things, and we are going to be permanently deleting some things from the entire computer. Now quickly, we have the two videos that are unwanted material, so we can delete them from the recycle bin. When we delete them from the recycle bin, meanwhile we're no longer going to have access to those things then. Now we click on the delete key, or better still, we can do it manually. So we'll do one on the delete key. Now it asks us, they say, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? We say yes, so it's gone. So we use this other method, right click and go to delete again. They ask us the same question and we say yes. So the two files are gone. Now we want to restore these two folders. Now we click on this and click on this. We click on all two, right? So we're going to do it one after another instead of doing them together. So you click on the first one, you left click on the first one, you right click and take the first option, say restore, right? You click on restore. When you click on restore, automatically that folder going to leave the recycle bin and go back to that identical location that it was once in. So as you can see, it have come back, and we have mine folder here again. So let us restore this. Now you see it have returned to the desktop as well. So guys, basically this is about, and this is just to inform you about your ongoing about how you delete things. Now the recycle bin for Windows computer is almost like what you have in your smartphone today called the trash. After you have deleted several things from your gallery, you can check the trash and you will find those things there. All right, so guys, thank you very much for sticking around. We see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.